As the clouds roll in and the sun begins to rise, these forests come alive like no other forests in the world can. Welcome to the Western Ghats, mountains so old and mystic, they are considered the abode of the gods. The Western Ghats are also known as the Sahyadri and forms the western end of the Deccan Plateau. These mountains are older than the Himalayas and for centuries have played a crucial role in the monsoon of India. Shrouded by the clouds and protected by the mountains, its forests are the last sanctuary for some of India's rarest and most captivating flora and fauna. These mountains intercept the rain-bearing westerly monsoon winds, bringing abundant rainfall in its path. Hence, they are also known as the Monsoon Mountains. These hills cover about 62,000 square miles and form the catchment area for complex river systems. Small streams add up together and empty into rivers, which plunge into valleys, forming many picturesque waterfalls. The Western Ghats are a biodiversity hotspot covering 5% of India's land. They play host to 5,000 species of plants, 140 species of mammals, 510 species of birds, 260 reptile species and 180 amphibian species. With new flora and fauna being discovered every year, the United Nations has named it one of the biodiversity hotspots of the world. Let us take you below the canopy to witness the Ghats. A large female Malabar Gliding Frog gets ready to lay its eggs on a leaf while two males cling onto her back, wrestling each other to fertilize the eggs she would lay. The female lays her eggs and starts to kick her legs to create the froth that would enclose them. A third male jumps down from a tree and joins the frenzy. The males compete with each other to fertilize her eggs before jumping off her back. The female would then start to pull the surrounding leaves with her hind legs, securing her eggs and leaving behind a solid nest. Over the next few weeks, rain will slowly dissolve the froth and a new generation of this rare species will drop out of the nest into puddles of water on the forest floor. Found in the vicinity of fast and slow-moving perennial streams, Microzalis is a genus of frogs that are endemic to the Western Ghats, popularly known as dancing frogs due to their peculiar habit of waving their feet to attract females during breeding season. These frogs are extremely vulnerable as their habitat is severely threatened. The lion-tailed macaques are a symbol of endemic diversity of the Western Ghats. Unlike other macaques, these avoid humans, spending a majority of their life in the upper canopy of tropical evergreen forest. The reproductive cycles of these macaques are very slow. Only the dominant female gives birth once in 3 years, making them more vulnerable. Less than 4,000 of these survive today, making them one of the most endangered primates in the world. India is home to 9 hornbill species, out of which 4 are found in the Ghats: Indian grey hornbill, Malabar grey hornbill, Malabar pied hornbill and the great pied hornbill. A hornbill's main diet consists of fruits and insects. A single hornbill can feed on fruits growing on up to 40 trees a day, making them excellent seed dispersers and rightfully earning them the title farmers of the forest. The tiger is much revered in India and needs little introduction. The Hulivesha is a folk dance native to southern India. Accompanied by unique drum beats, this dance is a tribute to the tiger, an animal that holds a powerful position in Indian mythology. Growing up to 15 feet and weighing up to 10 kilos, the King Cobra is the world's longest venomous snake. The snake derives its scientific name Ophiophagus henna from the fact that it feeds only on other snakes. The King Cobra is the top predator among snakes and is an apt indicator of the health of herpetofauna in its habitat. As a flagship species, its protection is imperative and most necessary today. The main threat to the King Cobra is habitat destruction as a result of deforestation. Over the years, humans have learned to respect and coexist with the King Cobra. Religious beliefs are one of the strongest conservation tools we have today that will ensure the survival of the King Cobra. The Western Ghats were once covered in dense forests. Today, a large part of its range has been logged or converted to agricultural land for tea, coffee, rubber, or cleared for livestock grazing, reservoirs and roads. As urbanization creeps into these habitats, the forest suffers. Increased fragmentation and habitat destruction has led to human-wildlife conflicts. Today, the Western Ghats face a bleak future. It's upon us to save them.